Ferguson. But I recommend you to learn read again Landsburg at first, between 281, 287, and then Ferguson, 65, 75. So, at first, Landsburg or a biology book I recommend you, but it's not enough. Between 281 and 287, only 6 pages. And then I recommend you, it's not enough, Ferguson or a bioscience book, between 65 and 75. Okay. You remember that the oral epithelium is growing into the mesenhyme, and there will be an upper and lower dental lamina, and there is a vestibular lamina and dental lamina, and the dental lamina is bent in 45 degrees to the surface, and the teeth developing from the dental lamina. The ectodermal originates lamina, and there will be 10 upper and 10 lower buds. This is a good bud, or later in time there will be a cap form. This is a cap form, and it will be at first epithelial organ and then enamel organ. This is the outer enamel epithelium with cuboid cells, stellate reticulum with star-shaped cells, stratum intermedium with flattened cells, and inner enamel epithelium, columnar cells. This is the epithelial or later enamel organ. This is the papilla, and this is the follicle. This is the 3 main parts of the tooth germ. Papilla, follicle, these are mesodermal originate, and epithelial or enamel organ external originate. Which is new for you, that star-shaped cells, stellate reticulum cells producing glucosaminoglican, GAG, and connect a lot of water intercellularly. These are star-shaped cells and produces a lot of GAG material, and this connects a lot of water. It will keep the turgor of the enamel organ. It's very important, the GAG, for amelogenesis to the inner enamel epithelial cells, or later in time ameloblast. And because we cannot find here capillary network, it's very important, this material is produced by stellate reticulum cells, and this is the stratum intermedium cells, which are flattened cells producing glycogen molecules, and alkaline phosphatase activity is high in this cell, and glycogen is again very, very important for the secretion of ameloblast. There are 2 capillary networks here. One capillary network in the papilla, and there is another capillary network here over the outer enamel epithelial cells. So oxygen and a lot of material is coming from the capillary network through these cell layers, outer enamel epithelial cell, stellate reticulum cell, and inner enamel epithelial cell to reach the inner enamel epithelial cell, what pre-ameloblast. Do you remember what is the difference between inner enamel epithelial cells and pre-ameloblast? Who knows it? What is the difference?
Columnar and pivotal?
Columnar both, but what is the difference? In relation of pre-ameloblast, the cells lose the capability of further cell side there will be ameloblast. Let's remember what is the difference between pre-ameloblast and ameloblast. What is the difference between pre-ameloblast and ameloblast? We will ask in the exam. It's very important. If you don't know, immediately fail. What is the difference? I think you remember from first year.
The position of nuclei.
Yes, nuclei position. Fine. What is the difference between them? Where is the nucleus in the pre-ameloblast? Center. There is ameloblast. Basic. Yes, here. Toward near the stellate reticulum cell. Yes. Very good. And this is another organ. Lose this part of the enamel organ which connects with the oral epithelium. It's disintegrating itself. What is the remnant cell? Names of the remnant cell of this connection. The dental lamina disintegrates it. What is the remnant of dental lamina? Yes, Severus cell. Very good. Severus cell. It's very, very important. And here you can see that at first dentin is producing by odontoblast at the top of the crown, in the cusp-tip region, and then immediately starts to produce enamel by ameloblast. And what is the capillary layer? Papillary layer. There is a capillary network here. Papillary layer. It's when we can see cell by cell layer in very close connection without intercellular layers. So after an enamel epithelium, stratum intermedium, stellate reticulum cells in a very close connection. This is the papillary layer. And here you can see the cusp-tip is producing odontoblast dentin, ameloblast enamel, but near the neck region only the pre-odontoblast is differentiating from which cell? Pre-odontoblast differentiating from papilla, dental papilla cell, ectomesenhyme cell. And then is a basal membrane here. This is the ameloblast, one ameloblast. This is the dental papilla layer, and ameloblast producing a basal membrane. And under the basal membrane there is an acellular zone. It's not which you have learned in relation of pulp. There is a white zone in the pulp, the surface of the pulp. We can see it under the ameloblast during the amelo and dentinogenesis. This is the basal membrane, and then acellular layer. It contains fibrillar tissue, collagen fibers, but not cells. Basal membrane, and here is odontoblast producing dentin. This is the Herpich sheath zone. Herpich sheath. What contains the Herpich sheath? Herpich, outer and inner enamel epithelial cell layers.